Hello, hello, and welcome back to another lesson. Now this one it's a Patreon special. We are doing some votes over at Patreon, and this was voted for by all of these people. It was an amazingly close run race, actually, between Pearl Jam's Insignificance and Mad Season's X-Ray Mine. So this one won, but Insignificant, it was so tight that and loads of you voted. So I'm going to do both of those this week. So Insignificance will be coming later in the week. If you don't know what Patreon is, go check it out below. There's a link, and it's all good manner of fun things, and it helps support the channel. So tone-wise, I've gone for the Univibe. The speed's cranked right up, and the vibe button is engaged as well. You get that kind of machine gun sounding effect, right? All octaves. I think he does play this on a 12 string, but we're going with octaves. First few are all on the A string, so you've got A and G. So that's the 7th fret. Then you play 10, 5. Then 8, 5, right? But it's kind of a bend on that one. Probably a quarter bend, and I bend up both. Alright, so you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Then you hit that. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 again. So again, slowly. Alright, now the next part. That's the riff, okay, to speed. Awesome riff. It's just a pentatonic jobby, but very bluesy sounding. Quite Hendrix-y, isn't it, this? So you're going to play 10, 8, 9. Then when you go back to the 10th fret, you're going to basically do a quick grace note hammer-on from the 8th to the 10th on the B. And then the 8th fret again, right? With a little slide down. So it's slowly. And then you've got this rundown. Which is just 7, 5, 7. And then the open A. And to stop that getting messy, what I do is I actually play. You don't want that A ringing out when you're going to that 10th fret on the B, right? So I actually just palm mute those notes so you can hear that clearly again. Okay, so it's quite quick, but I'm palm muting those there just to kill those notes dead. And then you just play it around again. Or you play the first part of it again, okay? So it's 10, 8, 9, hammer on. Okay, so first part of that you play again, and that is 10, 8, 9 with a hammer on, and then you leave that ring out and then slide it down. I think it's the last 2 beats of the last bar that you slide down, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so that's awesome. Then you've got this delay pedal coming in. And that there, I've got the feedback, so it's just tails off after about what? So you hear probably 8 of them, but they tail off quite quickly. I'm set it at 270 beats per minute, like that. And the riff through goes like this. Slight variation on the second time. Brilliant stuff. Really reminiscent of Quick Escape off Gigaton, isn't it? So you're going to basically play an A major shape here. It's just a 7/6/5. And without that delay, all I'm playing is. So you play the first beat and then 7 beats quiet. Okay, so that one first. Then you slide up and play the 9th and 8th fret on the G and B, but you can play the open E as well there. Won't hurt. Then you just got 2 A5 chords. Then you go back around. Slight variation, rather than going back down to the A5, you're going to play the 10th and the 8th fret. You could actually play 9, 10, 8 if you want. Up to you. I hear definitely 10 and 8 though. And then you play the A5 again. Then you got this absolutely banging riff. It goes like this. Which is superb. You let the first bit ring out as well, so you're going to play, which is a hammer-on from the 5th fret to the 7th on the D, and then you've got a double stop there, right, on the 5th fret on the G and B, but with the open A. And then you're going to play this little rundown, which is a hammer on and a pull off, 5th, 7th and back, with a triplet feel though, okay, so. Alright, those are all triplets. Then 7, 5. Okay, so. And then the second half of it is. So you just cut it off there basically. So that slowly. One more time. So I forgot a bit, had to come back the next day and fill this bit in, but it's important. Come over this bit. There's another part that comes over the top, and this is what Mike actually plays live. So it goes like this. Slightly different the second time round because obviously I'm playing more notes, right? But on the album it's just simple enough, right? It's all single note stuff. But then you're going to add in the open E string and the 9th fret on the G, right? So, and that is the same as the open E. Both E. Okay? And there I'm playing. So down, up, up. Then I'm playing the 9th fret. And then the top 3, okay? But don't worry about it too much, right? You can just go to that chord shape, which is 9, 10. So you can go between your 3rd finger and your 1st finger on that. There I'm including the open E note. So live, Mike obviously plays plays much more of that style because there's only the bass guitar in the background, right? So there's no, you know, extra guitar underneath. There's one other little bit, which is just a fill that comes out of... It's just the last time round, so you play slowly. Alright, so the second half of the riff you play 10, 8, 9, and then straight to the 10th fret on the E string, right, with my third finger. And you just let that full bend kind of ring out. And that's it. Hope you all enjoyed that one. And thanks everyone for supporting the channel, liking, commenting and all the rest of it. Patrons, thank you so much for suggesting and voting for this one. It was great fun working it out. So more to come. See you soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.